find a way to him whispering, husband, I'm just mine.
I want you to stand here, and I want you to stand here. Jen, that was a fucking performance. What do you guys think? You each need to take a bow together because I think you finally woke them up. That was awesome. And I'm bleeding from it, which is amazing. That is the second time. Ooh, I'm getting kissed on my ouchies. It's better now, but other places are a little agitated. We've had this discussion before. Not in front of everyone, just in front of half of them, and only on YouTube. I told you guys I get humped every show. It's amazing. Wow, that's the second time I've caught a falling wooden frame from this stage, and I bled both times. Well, shit, I have no idea what's going on now. So, okay, you guys can collect up your tips now, because anything left on stage is mine, because I'm greedy. But I'm honest. I'm an honest thief. No, I wouldn't do that. You guys know I wouldn't do that. No, never. Never, especially not to new performers. Alright, so as I constrict this wound and try to stop bleeding from my wrist like an emo kid. Speaking of emo kids, okay, you know what? Emotionally charged punk rock. I'm going to invent two things. I'm going to invent a lawn service and a pizza factory. My lawn service will be, we'll cut it for you, and my pizza factory, make sure we slice it the right way every time. Because, okay, emos have a motto. They won't admit to it because it makes them smile. What you doing? Oh, Yoli, you're like a frickin' pharmacy. Seriously. I'm like, Yoli, I have heartburn. I have something for that. Yoli, I've got a migraine. I have something for that. Yoli, I'm cramping. I have something for that. Audience, I'm bleeding. Yoli's running up with a Band-Aid. Amazing. Fix my boo-boo. Fix my boo-boo. Thank you. Now they'll really have no idea what it says on my wrist. It almost says Yoli. Now it says Oli. It did say pole. Now it says Oli. Wow. I am totally babbling. What was I talking about? Emo kids. The emo motto. They'll never admit to it. Suicide seems like a cool hobby, but I'd hate to take it up as a profession. The few people that have any emo children in their life are laughing right now. Okay, so now that I've babbled about this and that, I've cut myself, I've been humped, we've talked about waking the audience up. This shall not be a problem to keep it going. Please welcome back to the stage, Chaos.